Hi guys, I am here with MCQs of language, basic concept, theories, pedagogy, and English in use. Dear friends, I have completed from question number 1 to 54 up to part 3. This is part 4. These questions are very useful. यदि इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन आपको पसंद आए तो इन्हें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, और यदि आप चैनल के नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकॉन को प्रेस करिए ताकि इस प्रकार की वीडियो जब भी अपलोड हों तो उनका नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके। क्वेश्चन नंबर 54 विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द मेन प्रिंसिपल ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर अप्रोच? ऑप्शन ए इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ द चाइल्ड एक्टिविटी रेदर देन द एक्टिविटी ऑफ द टीचर्स। ऑप्शन बी importance of speech for firmly fixing all groundwork. Option C both A and B, and option D none of the above. So the correct answer is both A and B. Option C is the correct answer. Now question number 56. Now question number 56. Now question number 56. The structure approach is a great improvement upon the option A direct method, option B substitution method, option C translation method, and option D none of the above. None of the above. So the correct answer is direct method. Option A is the correct answer. Now question number 57. Fundamental laws in the science of teaching are is. Option A start from the concrete thing and go on to the abstract idea. Option B encourage self teaching. Option C teach through the senses, and option D above all. Above all. So 57, the correct answer is option A, B, C. यानी कि above all. Option D is the correct answer. Now question number 58. Text, oral and written work on text, reading, spelling, pronunciation and grammar. Option A 8 periods a week. Option B 3 periods a week. Option C 4 periods a week, and option D none of these. The correct answer is 3 periods a week. 3 periods a week. Option B is the correct answer. Now question number 59. According to whom the standard to aim at is the power to understand ordinary English speech spoken at a normal speed? Option A Findlay, option B Champion, option C Rain, and option D Dr. West. Dr. West. The correct answer is option A Findlay. Findlay is the correct answer. Now question number 60. Oral and written composition including conversation need. Option A 5 periods a week, option B 3 periods a week, option C 2 periods a week, and option D none of the above. None of the above. So option C 2 periods a week is the correct answer. Now question number 61. Now question number 61. The teaching of grammar must be according to the change and. Option A development development that takes place in the language. Option B undevelopment that take place in school and curriculum. Option C both A and B, and option D none of the above. None of the above. So the correct answer is option A development that takes place in a language. Now question number 62. The aims of teaching English to Indian school children is option A to understand the English language when written. Option B to understand it when spoken. Option C to speak it and to write it, and option D above all. Above all. So the correct answer is option D above all is the correct answer. Now question number 63. Which one of the following is a lack of several facilities in learning and teaching English? Option A. The number of students in almost all the classes is very large. Option B. Many students are not linguistic minded. Option C. The average school are not well equipped with audiovisual aids, and option D above all. above all. So the correct answer is option D, above all is the correct answer. Dear friends, these questions are very useful. So listen these questions again and again. Now question number 64. 64. Education in India under the British government was first ignored, then violently and successfully opposed. They conducted on a system now universally admitted to be erroneous and finally placed on its present footing. Who said it? Option A, Howell. Option B, Lord Macaulay. Option C, Raja Ram Mohan Roy. And option D, none of them. None of them. So the correct answer is option A, Howell is the correct answer. Now, question number question number 65. Value and importance of teaching English is. Option A, English is option A, English is the lingua franca of the world. Option B, it is the language through which we can exchange our views with the people of other countries. Option C, the very long association with Indian life has made it a language of many Indians. And option D, above all. So option D, above all is the correct answer. Above all is the correct answer. Now question number 66. Free composition. Question number 67. Free composition may also be called. Option A, unguided composition. Option B, uncontrolled composition. Option C, both A and B. And option D, none of the above. None of the above. So option C, both A and B is the correct answer. Both A and B is the correct answer. Now question number 68. Which one of the following is the aim of teaching spelling in school? Option A, to make the spelling of words automatic. Option B, to develop in children the spelling sense. Option C, to enable them to spell additional words as they come across them in their daily writing. And option D, above all. Above all. So option D, above all is the correct answer. Now question number 70. To make the student pick up the structure of pattern of a sentence, the aim of teaching should be. Option A, prose. Option B, grammar. Option C, poetry. And option D, composition. Composition. So option C, poetry is the correct answer. Now question number 71. Audio ad is. Option A, chart. Option B, lingua phone. Option C, pictures. And option D, album. So audio ad is a lingua phone. This was the second last question of this video. Dear friends, यदि आपको इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन पसंद आए तो इन्हें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, और यदि आप चैनल के लिए नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करिए, ताकि इस प्रकार के वीडियो जब भी अपलोड हो उनका नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके. Now question number 72, the last question of this video. The construction of planning consists of. Option A, annual plan. Option B, unit plan. Option C, daily plan. And option D, all of these. All of these. So the correct answer is all of these. Option D is the correct answer. Thank you for watching this video.